Wow, woolly here. Guys, I was going to leave it, and then I thought, no. So, it's a bit dirty. This is the only thing. It's a bit dirty. I've got like a dirty section right here. I'm going to have to clean it. Then let's take a ring off it. So I just chopped a little line in it. Okay, let's have a look. It's very hard to see. It's very sunny, guys. The chain is probably not the best, but got some wedges. Got a wedge banger. Well, listen, let's give it a shot. Let's have a look. Look at that. What a piece of wood, boy. What a piece of wood. Well, it's all possibly was in the stones. Okay. Well, not as dramatic as I would have hoped for, but hey, listen. What can you do? What can you do? Look at the size of this wood, boy. Look at the size of this wood. I'm really looking forward to getting into this. Look at the rot in the middle of it as well. There. So, cool, cool. Now I'm going to split this just for the crack. Guys, thanks for watching. I feel like the Hulk, the 181, the Husqvarna 181 could have performed better there, to tell you the truth. I think maybe she needs a service, and it probably needs adjusted. The jets probably need adjusted a bit, so feels like there's more power to give, you know. I don't feel like it should be bogging down. Anyway, what can you do? Guys, listen, stay frosty.